Welcome back. Now we'll have the news in detail. We start from India, where 1,045 people have died, while over 78,000 people have tested positive in the last 24 hours. Brazil has also registered more than 1,200 deaths and over 42,000 cases in a day. Globally, the virus has claimed over 855,000 lives, while infecting over 25.6 million. More details in this report.
India continues to be the most festering COVID-19 hotspot of the world, with a daily tally of over 66,000, while caseload exceeding 3.7 million. In the Americas, the U.S. has announced it will not join the World Health Organization-led global push for a coronavirus vaccine. Meanwhile, in Mexico, the cases tally tops 600,000 as the country eases restrictions.
The
epidemic is not over. In the area you live in, you'll still be able to hear stories and experiences about new cases, but that does not mean the epidemic in general does not exist, and we'll need to start reopening public life as the risk starts decreasing.
In Asia, mainland China has reported 8 new imported cases, down from 10 a day earlier. South Korea has reported 267 new infections as cases remain under 300 for the 4th day straight. Meanwhile, Australia has been pushed into recession, bringing 3 decades of economic growth to a halt. The government is considering to ease restrictions in the Victoria state after a hint of a downward trend in new cases.
First things first, there are 19,224 confirmed aggregate cases of coronavirus across the state since, of course, the beginning of the pandemic. That's 90 new cases since our update yesterday. Sadly, there have been now 576 Victorians who have lost their life because of this global pandemic. That's an increase of 6 since yesterday's report.
For Europe, the WHO says the region can live without a vaccine by managing outbreaks with localized lockdowns. Millions of students around Europe returned to school with mandatory masks and social distancing.